Starting value to end value, that is for the range, that is starts from the 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So these are the list methods. So suppose my variable x is equal to list function. So type of x, which is listen type list. So directly you can append or count or extend or index or insert or pop or remove or reverse short. Already we discussed all these things, isn't it? So everything is given in a particular directory. So that's why we are using for directory of that particular variable, right? Some of these are some of the built-in methods. So we can able to append the list of items, and here I'm mentioning the object is nothing but your the name of the list, isn't it? That is the variable, and the count, extend, and index, and insert, and pop, and remove, and reverse. What are all the things? What are, and the expansion is also given in the next one, right? So data structures such as a stack and queue can be created using list, of course. While using the data structures programming, right, we can use these kind of the operators. Using the list, we can able to create a stack, right? Thank you, students. Any doubts? Thank you.